Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Lloyds bank to PayPal. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So let's get started with the easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Lloyds bank to PayPal. So the first step is to link your Lloyds bank account to your PayPal. So to do this, log into your PayPal. You can also log in through your PayPal website, which is paypal.com, and log in into your account using your account credentials. From there, navigate to the wallet. So click on wallet at the top of this page. Then from there, click a link bank account. So click link a bank account, then enter your Lloyds bank sort code and the account number. Then confirm the details and follow any additional verification steps just to verify your linked bank. Then after that, you have to move to the next step, which is to transfer money from your Lloyds bank to your PayPal. So once your Lloyds bank account is linked and verified, initiate a transfer in PayPal. So in your PayPal account, go to the wallet. Then from there, click on add money. Then select your linked Lloyds bank account. Then enter the amount you wish to transfer and tap confirm the transaction. And that's how you can simply transfer money from Lloyds bank to PayPal. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.